Okay, hello class. Welcome to our first lecture series on Management Essentials, and I'm your instructor, Dr. Jamal. So before recording this session, we had a little introduction, and I welcome you all from our, outside of the university as an exchange student and insiders, my CIP beloved students as well. I'm happy to once again teach you this amazing course. So regarding the course policy, what we have decided is your class participation would be of 10 marks, and remember the participation would be judged on either quizzes, question and answers, and also behavior in the class. All right? And the second one is the assignments based on mostly the case studies analysis. It is 30% of your overall evaluation. And then we have midterm, and then we have final exam. So if you pay close attention here, so class participation and your case study assignments and something, it constitutes only 40%. In order to pass this course, you need 60%. So it means 40% is in your hand and 20% is through the exams, midterm and final term. So in case if you couldn't do best or there's something bad happen on the midterm exam or final term, you are sick or you are traveling or something, don't worry about that. Why? Because 40% you are covered through your own efforts. If you attend classes regularly, it means your class participation is 100%. Your behavior, we talked about that, we will also discuss in our next slide as well. And if there is a quiz, don't worry about that, you give your best shot. So almost 40% is in your hand. All you need to get just 20% in order to pass at 60%. So are we clear on this exam policy? Okay, so the behavior in class, we talked about that. I would consider the misconduct, whether if somebody is deliberately disturbing the class. Okay, I do understand if somebody has a bad internet connection or somebody has a noisy pet or a house near the corner of the street, so there is a lot of noise. So the good thing is that you can always mute your microphone. Okay, and please do not use your cell phone while your camera is on. It shows that you are not even interested in the class. All right, if you have to use the mobile phone, then please turn off the camera, mute your microphone, and then you can use for the call purposes and that. All right, the second last and the last one, we talked about that. Please do not disrespect your students and your fellow teachers, and remember, ask as many questions as you can. All right, and the last one is, please do not use the found language started from F and H and S. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, then let's dive deep into the world of management essential. So remember, you don't need to buy the textbook. I would be uploading all the readings in PDF format in the WeChat group and also on our Blackboard. Okay, so I would be maintaining these two platforms parallel basis. So guide, I need your participation right now. So are you agree? Are you following what I'm going through right now?
Yes.
Good, good, good. So you can turn off your camera, but please unmute your microphone so that I, understand that I'm not talking to myself. There are other bunch of students over there. Right? Okay. So I would be parallelly maintaining WeChat group and Blackboard, I would be uploading all the assignments, case studies on both groups so that you don't have to go to other you know separate platform all the time. But remember the assignments or the case studies, you need to submit me through personal WeChat message, or you can email me on my email. I would be sharing you the course outline before the next class. Okay, it's still in the middle of something, so I think I last 2 or 3 classes I need to edit on that format. Okay, but I would prefer that use your WeChat to send me the assignments so that I have your all the data maintained. Okay, so don't worry about buying the book. I would be sending you the reading materials and all those stuff, and I will be uploading on both platform WeChat and Blackboard. So are you ready? If you're ready, then we just move to our first reading, and that is managers and you in the workplace, which is introduction to management. So first we talk about the management, and then we talk about why it is important at this stage for you guys to learn it, to graduate, or if even if you want to work in the company, or if you want to start your own company, own business, why it is necessary for you to read this subject. Okay, so let's just move on to our first learning objective, that is tell who managers are and where they work. And over the next course of slides, we will be talking about why managers are important, their functions, roles, skills, and describe factors that are reshaping and redefining the manager's job, and the value of studying management, and the matrix of employability skill matrix we talk about over there. All right, let's talk about our first learning objective, and we start from who is a manager. So a manager is someone who coordinates and oversees the others so that organization goal can be accomplished. So tell me, what do you think, who's the manager in your own words? Guys, I need your participation.
Someone who coordinates employees, tell them what to do.
What to do? I heard the word what to do. Anyone else?
And how to do.
Yes, someone who also organizes tasks for other people.
Organize tasks for other people. Okay.
Someone with controlling.
Controlling.
Controlling. Okay.
Someone who subordinates report to, like an authority.
Authority. Good. Who has the authority, right? Anything else? When you see the word manager comes to your mind?
Responsibility.
Okay. Responsibilities.
Dealing
Who
with
administers a company?
Mm-hmm. Good. I would add boss, right? So you're right, because the image that you got from the manager word, how to do, what to do, organize tasks for others, controlling, authority, bossy, all those stuff. I agree with you. In your experience, you experienced a manager like that, right? And you have faced that, or somebody, you maybe from your parents, from your colleagues, your family members, your friends. These vibes and these words are coming from here. But now, the word manager, it means getting work done by others with two characteristics we'll talk about in our coming slides as well. One is efficiently, second, effectively. So now the question, that logical question would be, then what's wrong with our definition that we were defining? Okay, coordinate activities for others, right? Controlling authority, managing tasks, all these looks like the job of manager, but not. Coordinating activities for others, managers hire someone to coordinate. We have a medium. Now there are virtual assistants, and all the stuff, so they coordinate on your behalf. The real job of a manager is getting work done by others efficiently and effectively. So if you put this theory here in this definition, you get the idea. Someone who coordinates and oversees, which means he makes sure that work has been, the task has been transmitted clearly. Oversee, let me see because I have a control here. Okay, oversee the work of other people, right? Authority, they have the authority to work, to oversee the work, right? Controlling can be here. So the organization goal can be accomplished. So all these qualities comes under efficiently and effectively. So in simple words, the manager definition is that person who is involved in getting work done. Now we are extending this definition. Through the people, with the people. 1 minute, Maurice. Through the people, with the people, by the people. In efficient and effective manner. But of course, why we are doing this effective and efficient manner job? So that organizational goal is going to be accomplished. All right? Yes, Morris.
A manager is also a person that is dealing with issues, right? For example, if there are any issues with for
That's
example, the food in the restaurant.
through the people, with the people, by the people.
Yeah.
So this is, we have extended this definition of manager. The reading, which I will send you, it has a very sophisticated words to define the manager. So we basically expand that definition. So who is the manager? Is he managing the job? No, he's managing the people. Why he's managing the people? Because he wants that work, that assignment to get done. So efficiently and effectively. What do we mean by efficiency and effectively? We will see in our coming slides. So over there, I would explain that. But why he want to do this job? Because that job or that work will be accomplishing the organizational goal, or it will